students, myself Rekha. Today we will do coordinate geometry exercise 7.2 sixth question. See Papa, what is the sixth question is that if 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of the parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. One parallelogram is there. This is a parallelogram. Now we will give the names A, B, C, D. So in parallelogram, vertices of the coordinates, what is there? A coordinates I will take 1, 2. So this coordinates 1, 2. Next this one B coordinates 4, 1. Next C coordinates x 6. Next D coordinates 3, 5. We will take order. C. A means 1, 2, second one 4y, third one x6, fourth one 3, 5 we will take. Now we will find the x, y value we have to find. X, y value we have to find means here what is the chance is there means in a parallelogram diagonals are bisect each other. See here in a parallelogram what is the chance is there? See these two means here x is there, these two means here y is there. So here what is the chance is there means in parallelogram diagonals, see Baba, diagonals, this is AC is a diagonal and BD is a diagonal. These diagonals what happened? Bisect each other. So this line divided by equal. Here I am giving the name O. Again AC also bisect each other. It's this line divided by equal. So this is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of AC and O is the midpoint of BD also. So here what is the chance we will find x and y means in the parallelogram diagonals are bisect each other. So now midpoint of AC. So midpoint of AC we have to find means midpoint theorem we will find. Here see Baba. A coordinates midpoint of first we will find AC. A coordinates what is there? 1, 2. Next C coordinates what is there? X 6. So this one we will take x1, y1. This one we will take x2, y2. So now we are finding A and C I am taking. Midpoint of AC we are finding. Midpoint theorem. What is the midpoint theorem? Not big formula, small formula we will use. X1 plus x2 divided by 2. Next y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the midpoint theorem. So midpoint finding is this is the small formula. Y is this line divided by equal. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So now you apply the values. X1 means 1 plus x2 means x divided by 2. Next what is there? 2 plus this is 6 divided by 2. Now see here. 1 this can't simplify. 1 plus x divided by 2 keep like this only. 6 plus 2 how much? 8 by 2. See here. Now cancel possible. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So this answer is 1 plus x divided by 2 comma 4. So now we will simplify this one and we will keep one side. You write this is the first equation. Next midpoint of AC over. Now we will do midpoint of BD. Right here midpoint of BD. BD is equal to C. Midpoint of BD means B coordinates I will write here. B coordinates what is there? 4, 1. Next D coordinates what is there? 3, 5. So now listen carefully. Midpoint formula what is there? x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. See now see here in this one we will take x1 y1. This one we will take x2 y2. So now you apply the values. See here x1 means what? 4 plus x2 means 3. 4 plus 3 divided by 2. y1 means y plus y2 means 5 divided by 2. So any chance is there means we will simplify. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 divided by 2. Now we will take this is the second equation. See here, this is also midpoint of AC, midpoint of BD. Midpoint of AC only, midpoint of BD only. So equation 1 equal to equation 2 we can take. See here, equation 1, it is equal to equation 1, it is equal to equation 2 we can take. Why means both are midpoints. Both midpoints what is there? Only. So we can take this first equation equal to second equation. I am taking, see, first equation what is there? 1 plus x by 2 comma 4. It is equal to second equation what is there? 7 by 2 comma what is there? Y plus 5 by 2. So this is the second equation. First equation, this is equal to second equation. So in this one, we will do this one equal to this one we will do. And this one equal to this one we will do. This equalized means we will get x value. This two equalized means we will get the y value. First we will do this one. 1 plus x by 2. It is equal to what? 7 by 2. See here. Now 1 plus x is equal to 7 by 2. It is a divider. After is equal to it's become a into. Now see here. 2 to cancel. 1 plus x is equal to 7. X is equal to what? 7 minus 1. X value, what is the x value? X value is the 6. Now you got x value. Now we can find y value. Y value equalize means see, y plus 5 by 2, it is equal to, we will take 4. Now see Papa, y plus 5 is equal to 4. It is a divide. After is equal to, it's become a into. Y plus 5 is equal to 4 to the 8. Y is equal to 8 minus 5. Y is equal to what? 3 is the answer. So x value is the 6 and y value is the 3 answer. Nothing Baba, midpoint theorem we will use, midpoint theorem. This one you apply, you will get first equation. Again BD use means you will get the second equation. Where is their second equation? This both equations equalize. This one equal to this one means you will get x value. This one equal to this one means we will get the y value. Okay. Now 7th question. See Baba, find the coordinates of the point A. Point A coordinates we have to find. These two coordinates we have to find. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is a diameter of a circle. In circle diameter AB is there and whose center is 2 minus 3. Here center point coordinates what is given? Center points coordinates 2 comma minus 3. Here we will give one name P we will give. Center coordinates what is there? 2 minus 3. And B coordinates what is there? 1 comma 4. This is the question. In a circle, AB is a diameter and A coordinates don't know, we have to find. And P coordinates, center coordinates what is there? 2 minus 3 and B coordinates is given 1 comma 4. So this one we don't know, so we will take this is x, y. A coordinates we don't know, so we will take what? X, y. This is the center. In diameter, center point, this line divides equally. So we will use midpoint theorem. So we will use what? Midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB equal to, this is the exactly divide. This line is divided equally, 1:1 ratio. So second formula we will use, small formula we will use. Midpoint of AB is equal to, what is the formula is there? Means x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Next y1 plus y2 divided by 2. In this one you observe means, see here, A coordinates what is there? X, y. So this one we will take x1, y. This one we will take x2, y2. So midpoint of AB what is there? Midpoint of AB, this coordinates 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3. Midpoint of AB is equal to 2 comma minus 3. This is the midpoint of AB. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. x1 means what? This x1 value x plus x2 means y divided by 2, comma y1 means what? Y plus y2 means 4 divided by 2. So now we have to find these two coordinates we have to find. So here simplification is not possible, but one chance is there. So this one equal to this one we will do, this one equal to this one we will do. This equalize means we will get x value, this equalize means we will get y value. See what I will equalize. See here. First I will take this one. X plus 1 divided by 2, it is equal to first one. It is equal to 2. Now see Baba, x plus 1 is equal to 2. It is a divide. After is equal to, it's become a into. So x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the 4. X equal to 4. Send that side. Minus 1. X equal to 3. So one answer you got. Next, this equalize we will do. Y plus 4 divided by 2. It is equal to minus 3. It is equal to minus 3. So y plus 4 is equal to minus 3. It is a divide. After is equal to, it's become an into. So y plus 4 is equal to plus into minus. Minus 3 to the 6. So y equal to minus 6. It is a plus. After is equal to, it is a minus. So y is equal to, what is the answer? Minus 10. So a coordinates what is there? So therefore a coordinates is equal to, what are the a coordinates? X value is the 3, y value is the minus 10. This is the coordinates of this one. 3 and minus 10 is the coordinates. So this is very easy question, and 6th and 7th I explained this video. Again, any doubt also you comment it, and subscribe my channel.